Hi, welcome to our draw. Today we're going to draw Godzilla Evolved from Fortnite. So let's get in there at the top. We're going to have Godzilla's head over here. We're going to have the body, sort of main body coming down this way. It's all the arms coming out here, legs coming out here. So it's a bit of a zoomed in shot. So let's go maybe right up to here. Let's start with the face up here, yeah? So I'm going to just go right up to about this point. Just put a little dot there, okay? Now from that, we're going to come out where the eyes are. So I think the eye actually itself is going to sort of be like angry there, just a little diagonal, and then come round a bit like that. Okay, so we've got that like nice sort of angry eye in of Godzilla, and then what we can do is sort of bring the pen up, sort of have that sort of top of the head area like that, sort of coming around the eye. This will kind of go around here as well, so the back of the head sort of comes around this way. Wiggle your pen down a bit like that to there. Now I've got that in, what I can do is pop in the sort of the jaws, so I'm going to have the mouth like open. So drawing that bit down to there, let's just go underneath it a little bit and then come out where like the nose area is and then down like that, okay? And what I'm going to do now, maybe just attempt to do a few teeth. So I've got the mouth open here, a few teeth here, so I'm going to just sort of bring my pen sort of down, up and down a few times to sort of draw some sort of nasty looking teeth that Godzilla may have, and just going around to the front there. Maybe sort of just show like the gum area around that, so just wiggle your pen around that area there. So you just got this nice sort of up and down sort of teeth. I'm just going to bring my pen around here, so just going to have the jaw sort of comes down this way like that. And I've got the inside of the jaw up here, so I can just bring my pen up sort of this way, just sort of join up here. And then I've got the sort of the inner part of the mouth, and what I can do there is now I'll just pop in some extra sort of teeth around there. So again, just wiggle the pen up and down, way up to the top there, so it's got those teeth up there. Right, I've got the lower half of the jaw sort of around this point, so that probably comes out to about here, just mark there. What I can do there is maybe just draw a nice line along like that. And then just above that, again, I'm going to put some real sharp teeth in, so just wiggle your pen like up and down, just around there. One more like that, okay? And then we can just bring the jaw down, so I guess the jaw must sort of come down, I guess sort of to about here, and then it'll kind of come in a bit like that. So we've got that sort of head area sort of reaching out over there. I want to draw the neck area now, so let's just do the lower part here. Probably come sort of down this way to about here, the shoulders about this point, so about there, yeah? So just grab your pen, just come out a little bit more, and then just slowly bring it down, sort of nice sort of few little wiggles in there, like scaly sort of skin, down to about that point there. And then up here, what I'm going to do is sort of bring my pen down. I guess the other shoulder, it's one shoulder about here, one about here. So I'm going to come down to about this point. So again, I'm just going to go up to this top area here, just sort of wiggle my pen down, that nice sort of scaly, dinosaur lizardy skin of Godzilla. Wiggle it up and down like that as we come downwards. It becomes wider and wider, and then to maybe about that point there. You're coming right down this way. All right, cool. Let's continue with the outline. I'm going to draw the shoulder areas in, okay? So let's put one shoulder in here, so it kind of comes out sort of here. Let's just bring our pen out down to about there. And here, the shoulder kind of comes out from the arm here, so from the neck here. So it's going to pop a dot there, and I guess, like looking at it, probably comes out sort of this way, nicely out sort of like that, okay? So we've got those sort of two sort of shoulder areas there. Okay, we've got the top of the shoulder area in, so let's just continue this arm here, I guess. So it's almost like the elbow's on this point here, so just put a little dot there for the elbow, and then like the forearm comes out, sort of comes out maybe down to about here. Wiggle your pen around and then just bring it in there. Then I guess the inner part, sort of the wrist is here, yeah? So I suppose like about that point there, we can just bring our pen up like that, sort of this way, it kind of comes up like that, okay? So kind of got that nice sort of wrist area there. Let's just continue the claws there. So we've got the sort of the thumb sort of claw coming around this way. So I'm just going to grab my pen, bring it around, again, sort of wiggle it around a little bit there. Let's pop a claw in here, so a nice sort of, looks like rounded triangle around there. And then just bring it around ever so slightly. What we'll do, sort of the inner part of the hand is there, claw is there, and then I'm going to come out from here just bring it down for the front. Claw's going to come in sort of to about there. And I guess it sort of comes back sort of that way there. And I'm going to draw another sort of sharp sort of claw in around there. So join that in. And then just underneath, we're just going to draw another one in. So just going to bring my pen around like that, sort of just draw a nice little claw there. Maybe just round it off there. So we've got sort of coming right down here, we've got down to the claw there. This side, I'm going to draw the claw. It kind of comes down and its arm sort of comes out a bit this way. So it's almost like the bicep area is here. So just wiggle my pen around a bit where a bicep area would be in. And then it kind of comes out. There's almost like the forearm to the wrist area probably comes to about there. I guess underneath, if we just sort of look about the finger's width there and kind of put a dot there, just bring our pen in sort of to about there. So the wrist area sort of comes here. Then I can draw that sort of like those talons that he's got. So thumb sort of one is here. Just draw a nice little curve down like that and around, and like a thumb area is there. Then I've got 1, 2, 3 coming out. So I've got sort of first claw sort of comes out this way. Nice little point there and back. Second one sort of down this way and back. And then third one sort of comes out from there, sort of down to about here. So just bring your pen down and back like that. Just round it out and join it up there. To show those claws, I'm just going to pop a few little curves in there just to show the nails like that. Then we've got that sort of classic Godzilla look coming on. Okay, let's look at the chest area. So it kind of comes down from this, got the sort of shoulder part there. It kind of comes, just sort of draw a few little dots and lines in there, and then it can kind of sort of firm up a bit. So get down to here. I suppose it goes past sort of the arm there and down to about there. Okay, and then we've got that sort of coming in, and then it will sort of come out, angle out where they got the lower leg is there. So the top of the the right hand leg is here. So I'm going to come outwards this way, sort of come out like this, like that, sort of follow that angle of the claw, come down a little bit further, and just a couple of dots there, so let's taper it off. We can just show the underside where the tail's going around. So I guess got a big chunky leg there, it kind of comes in about this point here, and then under here is where his tail goes. Just bring it up like that. And then we can draw the inner part of the next leg, which sort of comes down this way. Just going to sort of bring my pen down here, again, sort of taper it off with a few dots there. And then down here, we can kind of come in sort of this way. Just sort of bring your pen along here, nice sort of scales, and then dot, 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 like that. Cool, okay, that's the main outline of Godzilla. Let's now do like the sort of areas on his back, sort of those little sort of prongs that come out. So we're going to start up here, sort of maybe to about this point, around about there. So I'm going to draw little ones, sort of coming out, just little sort of arrowheads like that. Maybe there's a slightly bigger one here, like that, okay? And then they start coming out like a little bit wider on his back. So just come down to about this point, just going to come further up. It's almost like, I guess it's almost like flames coming out of his back. So I'm kind of just going to sort of think sort of like flames, these sort of amazing sort of pink scaly prongs coming out. Sort of just fire them up. This one here, let's make it quite big, yeah. Come right out up here, sort of down, 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 and then the other one sort of join to it, so come out around sort of down there. And then we've got another large one sort of coming up here, sort of 1, 2, and then a large bit coming right out sort of here and down. And then what we'll do is just draw another little one sort of comes out and in and out, down like that, okay? It's got those nice little sort of prongs there. All right, now we've got that outline kind of wrapped up. Let's just add a little bit of detail to our character. So let's go back to the prongs at the top. There's almost like little sort of like little triangle of sort of V areas in there. So I'm just going to sort of draw in a few of those there, just in and around the areas we've already drawn. So it just adds a nice bit of detail to it. And let's go back up to the top here. What I'm going to do is just fill in the black pen around his mouth. Okay, that looks good. And then it kind of squiggles in, his sort of mouth comes around here, and there's a few little lines like that just coming out, so it sort of stretches. just by the eye there. I'm just going to sort of put that sort of angry sort of look, and I'm going to just fill in around there and a few little dots, like just to denote the sort of scaliness. And that kind of continues all the way along, and there's almost like little sort of V's going on all around the inner part of Godzilla, sort of around the neck there. We can put lots of little V's. It just shows like sort of the scaly elements of him, like that. Then there's some like wider scales here, so I'm just going to sort of draw some little longer lines sort of coming down the neck. And then down here, I guess there's like a line that comes down here. What we can do then is sort of draw in a nice little curve, sort of like the under part of his neck. Just sort of draw in some little curved lines all the way up to about there. Then again, what we can do is just draw in a few little more sort of detail lines around there, maybe by the sort of the top of the arms as well, sort of the shoulder areas. It gives that nice impression of sort of scales all around him. There's almost like some sort of like abs and stuff going on in the middle here, so I'm just going to put a little line down here, sort of curve in, curve out either side. It's almost like it's like muscles going on around there. And I'm just going to keep going down. It can get wider as we go down, like that one there. And it kind of comes down to this point here, and then it kind of like tails off where the tail sort of starts. I'm going to sort of wiggle my pen around, just sort of all around to that point where it's kind of got its scales going on around here. Just in the arm here, a few more little sort of tweaks around the arm here. I'm just going to just sort of loosely pop in a few more of those going on. And then I guess he's got a few sort of going around the outside around here, around there, and then with the legs, sort of got a few of these scales coming around here as well. Sort of the inner part of the leg here. It's nice, just add as many little bits of scales as you like. Now I've done a little bit of sort of inking up here, so I think up round here there's sort of like a lower area there where it's kind of like the shadow comes in, so I'm just going to sort of fill that in around here, so it's got sort of nice sort of shadow area there. Also around under this arm here, I'm just going to sort of fill in a nice little chunk of black ink there, and then we just draw these little bits around here, so it's sort of coming around like that. Just adds a nice little bit of depth to our character. Same goes around sort of the hand there, so just around that thumb creases, pop one in there. Same goes in here, there's sort of one in this way, crease around there, and it just adds a nice bit of depth. And then as we get sort of to this underarm, I think there's a bit more going on here, so I'm just going to fill in with the pen, just sort of nice and loose, just sort of fill in around these areas. If we sort of wiggle the pen sort of left and right, it sort of adds to that sort of scaly nature of the character. Kind of comes down this way, like that. It keeps sort of adding a bit in. I'm going to go right down to sort of the midpoint here, so I'm going to go all the way down to here. Just sort of add a nice little bit of sort of depth to the character. Sort of fill in a nice bit of sort of black in the middle there. Nice and loose, that's all it needs to be. Maybe on the leg there. You can just fill in some sort of more darker areas in the middle there. Then I think we can just balance it off a bit by sort of doing the same thing. So we go down here to the crease of the leg, just fill it in around there, like so. Again, what I can do is just sort of find a few areas, just sort of fill it in. Nice sort of ink, and then just build out from that as it comes out and around here. Like that, I think that's pretty good. Maybe what I'll do is just sort of build on the edges that I've drawn the main part of the character's body. Just sort of make it pop. A little bit more by just going around it. here, down there. There we are. There we go. That is Godzilla Evolved from Fortnite at the moment. Let me know what you think. Let me know who else to draw in the comments. And we'll see you very soon for more on Art Draw. See you again. Bye for now.